Hello everybody, welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm Christian. Today I'm going to show you what's happening with the Bitcoin price. And guys, it's happening exactly as I predicted. Look how Bitcoin is pumping right now. And yesterday actually I predict that this kind of a dump, it was bear trap. And if you ask me, Chris, what talking about when you made the video, Bitcoin was dubbing. Guys, on my Twitter, as you can clearly see, 22 hours before I made this tweet, and I told you I won't be shocked if we bounce back. And actually I was out at that time, to be honest with you, and I would like to do this kind of a tweet when the Bitcoin price was at $27,600. But until I take my phone, open my megabytes, and do this whole process and tweet that, I lost some kind of numbers, and Bitcoin was back then at $28,150. I would like to do that tweet when the Bitcoin was at $27,600. And guys, look right now what's happening. Many people yesterday, because the time that I uploaded the video, guys, the Bitcoin was at that position, and the time that I did this upload public, we saw this massive dump, and many people make fun with me with my analysis and told me that it was a trap or whatsoever. No guys, this was a bear trap, and my prediction was very correctly, because here I was only one of a few guys that I predicted very well that Bitcoin will pump to the upside, while the 90% of the YouTubers out there were talking about $25,200. And as you know, I was before 1 month or maybe more, I was super bearish, and I told you my reason that I changed it to neutral. And if we're gonna break this $30,500 resistance, I'm gonna and stay obviously above that, I'm gonna be super bullish. I will take a direction into super bullish direction. Okay, so on this video, guys, I'm gonna speak with you what's my next price target for the Bitcoin price, because right now the chart is looking very bullish and many people got wrecked out very badly, and even the longs, because yesterday this was very disaster dump that happened. Many longs liquidated here. So on this current situation, the Bitcoin right now is looking really bullish, and I'm gonna give you exactly all the price targets that you should pay attention. And also I'm going to justify you from technical side why we saw this massive dump. So if you would like to know all these things, all you have to do is to remain until the end of the video. And before we continue, I would like to tell you that I'm not a financial advisor. Whatever you're going to see on this video is my own personal opinion, my personal approach. Do your own research before any kind of financial investment. Obviously follow me on Twitter, because the last couple days I'm not so active because I'm working on my Patreon. But guys, I'm giving you sometimes big signals, so if you don't want to miss the next signal here, you should follow me on Twitter. And guys, also do not forget my Patreon, because altcoin season is on the corner, and trust me, if you kind interested in that kind of benefits that I give you, you're gonna come up later. And if you come later, after the altcoin season, I'm gonna give you my showcase of a huge crazy X's, and you're gonna hit your head in the wall that you shouldn't miss. Okay, if you miss the entries, then you lose big gains, or to do, for example, 100x, 300x, even 1000x coins. Okay, here you're gonna see buy signal, sell signal, stake signal, access to my portfolio, access to my all strategies that I follow. And you must have a strategy if you want to be wealthy. And I have a really smart strategy that I'm giving you here. And also guys, the most specific thing is that today I'm gonna open my Telegram VIP community, where there we're gonna be all the VIP soldiers. And also there, guys, I have many guys, I won't say who is who, but there are guys which are multimillionaires. So the level of knowledge will be very high to that Telegram VIP community. So this price is only for the first 50 people. Subsequently, the price is gonna be higher, and trust me, my goal is to every person who gonna join to be wealthy until the next bull run. Okay, this is my goal on that group, and I will achieve that. So let's get back to our analysis, because we have lots of interesting things to cover out. Initially, guys, you're gonna see that right now, this obviously very successful double bottom technical price target has been accomplished 100%. We reached the technical price target, which was around $28,600, and we continue with this insane pump over $29,000, and we reached the highest point, which was close to $30,000, if not the $30,000. So we are done with this chart, and here I would like to speak with you guys to very significant support and resistance. Look what happened yesterday when we were at that point. And I made the video. I was calling you that if we're gonna close above $29,300 the daily candle, this could be super bullish for today and for tomorrow, for Friday. Okay, but guys, look also what happened. We saw the time that I uploaded the video, the time that I made the video public. We saw this insane dump. I had bad time yesterday. The time that I uploaded the video, we saw this insane dump. And guys, subsequently the Bitcoin price recovered completely, and we saw Bitcoin pump back to $29,000. But obviously at the daily time frame, guys, we closed again above this massive $28,000, which, if you remember, I told you the most crucial part when we had this $27,200 at this double bottom is to close above $28,000. Step by step, we moving and we building the bullish territory. Okay, and look what happened yesterday. After this insane volatility with lots of ups and downs, finally we closed above $28,000, and look what's happening today. We moved into this insane green candle to the upside, and in 5 hours from now, guys, if we're gonna close the Bitcoin price above this $29,350, which is the weekly resistance, which is a very strong weekly resistance, this could be super bullish to break the next coming days the $30,500. And if we're gonna break this massive and crucial, the most crucial resistance of the Bitcoin price, Bitcoin will go at 33 within $34,000 the next coming days. I believe a lot that this is very possible price target that Bitcoin can jump if we're gonna break this yellow line of $30,500 and close above that. And if you remember, to remind you again, or for the new one to learn about, I had told you that if Bitcoin will break this yellow line and close a daily candle above that, even a weekly candle above that, this could be a super bullish, and I'm gonna take a direction into bullish direction that actually we're gonna start building the bullish territory very slowly. The bull market, call it as you want, very slowly. Okay, and I'm telling you that because many people are talking about after halving gonna see the real pump, and I agree completely. But guys, you should not you shouldn't neglect that through the banks which collapse, and as this First Republic Bank that dropped yesterday by a lot, Bitcoin pumped. And this was exactly what I was telling you the last couple of days, the last couple of weeks, that because of that banks which collapsing, Bitcoin is pumping. And this is actually huge historical move, because also is decoupling from the SP 500. That's why I switched from super bearish that I was before a couple months into neutral, because we saw this after massive drop at $20,000. If you remember back then, when we drop at $20,000, let me clear a little bit the mess, because here is really messy the chart. Guys, when we drop back here, I was calling you that we're gonna get at 14 within $16,000 area. If you remember well. And then we saw banks which went in collapse. I was waiting at that time to see further more drop to the downside, but we saw this insane pump to the upside. And guys, this was made me to believe that the adoption was real. Okay, that's why I switched into neutral, and I was calling you that as we are above $25,200, which is very strong resistance, and right now subsequently we have it as a support, and under the $30,500 area, which is the previous support of the bull run of 2021, I remain neutral. I was giving you these exactly targets for weeks. Okay, This is a real analysis. I'm not playing around. I'm serious to what I'm telling you. Okay, and you should. I would like here to tell you, and I would like to please listen carefully. What I would like to tell you, guys, you should have open mind. Okay, don't close your eyes. Don't close your ears. Open those, because sometimes we have a direction, but you should adapt to the new documents, to the new data. And the new data here, it was banks collapsed and Bitcoin pump and decoupled. This was serious, guys. This wasn't something that you should ignore, because if you ignore that, at that point you can wreck out badly. This is technical analysis. This is analysis. This is the analysis, guys. You should adapt the new data. If you don't adapt the new data and you have only one direction until you achieve a goal, you're gonna wreck out badly, very badly. And I'm telling you that because I was bearish for months. And you should realize, as a guy like me, as Chris, that I was bearish for months. When I switch into neutral, because I'm still neutral, I don't know why people call me that I'm bullish. Yes, I give more probabilities to break to the upside because of adoption, but I'm still neutral. Obviously, if we won't break this $30,500 and get back and break this $25,200, obviously there is a potential to see a drop back to $20,000. But I don't believe that this has lots of odds to happen. Okay, be open-minded, guys. Open your mind. Don't be closed-minded. And because you're gonna wreck out, and if you don't know what to do, just do dollar cost average and avoid everything from analysis, because this is risky, the thing that you're doing right now. And also here I would like to speak, before I close the video, for the CME gap, that from technical side, if I would like to justify this kind of a drop that happened here, we had a CME gap that with this dump that happened, we filled this out. Okay, and then we moved into the upside. So someone could say that this CME gap made this huge dump for the Bitcoin price. And also here I would like to show you, before the last things, which is the indicators, I would like to show you that we have this golden cross that you should not ignore. Okay, this golden cross on the weekly exponential moving average 50 and 200 is really important, and I told you, I called that for weeks, that this could get us into a bull run. Okay, and last but not least, the most important indicator for right now, which is actually, guys, the MACD. My monthly MACD. Look at this. I told you that if we're gonna see Bitcoin above $30,000, and let's say prices like 32, 33, prices like that, we're gonna see eventually the flip into golden, with this golden cross, into bullish territory. And this could be actually, guys, the beginning of the bull run. Okay, a very slow building bullish territory here, that subsequently, after halving, we're gonna see Bitcoin into explosion, 300,000, 400,000, even a 500,000 is very, very possible. Okay, this is exactly what I would like to tell you, guys. I highly recommend you, before the altcoin season, to enter on this group. You're gonna hit your head in the wall, I promise you for that. And I will see ya all in my next video. Until then, your boy Chris out. Bye.